Ningo Pram Pram, the people of Ghana want to hear what your view is on the LGBTQ bill. As the representative of Ningo Pram Pram, the people of Ghana want to hear what your view is on the LGBTQ bill that is before you. Say something and sign it. Mr. President, you are beginning to appear as a supporter of LGBTQ. The people of Ghana and the people of Ningo Pram Pram do not want it. So President Akufo-Addo, it has been 8 months since Parliament passed the legislation. Sign it or tell the people what your stance is on LGBTQ. We know the stance of President Mahama. We don't know your stance. Tell us what your stance is. And on Galam
Plus, na womudi won komono edi abosome nwotwe na mampani ensan na wori de osusu se mampani dada eya na nado danko Akufo-Addo LGBTQ+ no ojitum ofoaso enti na won pese obesan John Dramani Mahama Shagana fo nyina bo se yeto obamanu a ade ba bia kodu gwampo de akape ne nko a pen kwa de so nya beka ene odisi zo awewewe no asan abosome nwotwe na Sam George na ne ho tintiri waka say yede ade no ko mrasebadwa fi mrasebadwa fo ye ho no abosome nwotwe nie mampani na nado danko Akufo-Addo anya ho hwe no NDC are 9 months into office. Mokwala abosome nwotwe no mwachankro era the 10th month. John Mahama o she Ghana fo nyina abo say LGBTQ+ no obesan asan bio emadi ankofo adwene ye de omususu no anya ho na eba ne say ya wan hwe yi a na nyame asofo na wo kwa no kwa akotia umu because the day LGBTQ+ Catholic Bishops Conference charismatic one when he cancel deben na hwani they want to to nyum okuma se dane comedian wo ayi ahema kokobe kwa no so no owai Bishop Nicholas Duncan William nom Bishop Charles Asare nom that he would knows what you men of God, where are you? We revere you, we respect you so much. Yeah, you go for telephone number and to was in go part from Yajitum. So we are so for papa. Namopedia emo mind abudi home komo. And so why are you silent today? It's been 9 months. Nyamia so for Dr. Mahmoud Bamiadia okai esisu dia say the manual or no enyadia obosuso so obasan. John Mahama so kebi and then John Mahama na yatu abade amano. I want to believe say the mojina mo pulpit so ye no and am also remetie ye ekoto aba edi ma ade agara ina yesi ye nsuso so yempe. It's been 9 months nyamia so for 9 months. It is the month of delivery. And Kamu raising a voice. So we need results. We need an action to be taken. You do the 10th month. I saw for in and then invested their energy, their time, their pulpit. And who leads the MPP as flag bearer? And no one commentary, and no one commentary. And I'm one in the and on the day. The issues I'm going to be once more Ghana for BTA ekoto abano. That is what we expect you men of God. Mo nyame aso for no. Eti LGBT no, se say de ehu hia bio. Enya moda dwiri bio. Se mo sore ma no edi wo wura emma wo ne ma da ne mema wo ne mema da enhamo enfamo enya bone. Enya de abo mai bio. Enya de nyame abu fisho baba mai so bio. You stress on it several times and nado. And no some prempe na na kasa asem no entu ho anamo. Why are you giving John Dramani Mahama that leisure? Said the opebia wonye. Akwa bi opebia on for my name faso. More ya manipa doubt whether indeed you were called by God or you called yourself. Are you practicing Christianity of convenience? Some Christians are more baby mode demamono baby yemamono baby komamono and mudi hunkomo and mutu waramo. We respect you so much. We revere you. Please don't let us down. Mamma obi enye nyina so anka se mumunti Christo sum kra no o onfere ni nkodi achi na so onkosom Christo. And I say obi and doubt that the power of God. So papa se nyankopon pa na ka kire mo na de mu ye a enkasa be konfa obi dire nyawo ka pa madaka keke okowu ye o. Ti de mu ye. De mu ye, nyame asofu de mu ye. And now everybody is silent. Those who raised a strong voice, those who were advocate for LGBT sign. And I am mandatory members in parliament. Almost that committee, no sono. Ayedin, Reverend Tim Fojana, Umano Beckham, I could have befem. Ubia Ayedin, Ankasa, did that NDC. Members of that committee responsible for this constitutional legislative one, and then we have members. And so why are you silent? Why are you making this government too comfortable to do whatever it want to do? You. Na Maria say metmete kodoso a kakra
Menyo debut.
Sir, please what does it mean when they say inflation is down by 9.4%?
Inflation is the measure of the rate at which prices are going up. So when they say inflation has come down to 9.4%, they mean that from last year September to this year September, the rate at which prices were going up has slowed down to 9.4%. That's what it means. If you remember, at the end of 2024, Deloitte forecasts that this year, 2025, if you follow the program that the MPP government was using to bring inflation down, average inflation should be about 11% this year. So this 9.4, if you adjust for the average from the beginning of the year till now, I think it's about 17% average so far. In 2018 and 2019, during the MPP era, we brought inflation down to 7.8 and 7.1. So that's the context within which this current 9.4%, which brings it to an average of about 17% for the year. That's the context within which you should look at it.
What are some of the factors that contribute to
inflation going down?
Yes,
so usually, so there's demand and then there's supply side. So usually the government can do some things to ensure that whatever is causing the increases in price is controlled. Where the government is not able to do that, the Bank of Ghana will come in to suck some money out of the economy using various methods. Once too many people don't have so much money, then they won't demand too many things, which can sometimes make the prices go down. So in this particular instance, there are about three reasons. Number one is that, the currency is appreciated. Though now it's going back up, generally it's appreciated. The government has taken a lot of money from our reserves. Last time we spoke, I told you about 4 billion plus. They've dumped it on the market to try to suppress the currency. So it's allowed the currency to appreciate. And because of that, the prices of imported items have in some cases come down or stabilized or are not rising that quickly. So import inflation is tamed. That's one of the main reasons. The second reason is that also on the imported side, as the global platforms, JP Morgan and the rest are reporting, the global inflation itself is also tamed a bit. So the rate at which prices were rising on the world stage following the different crises is also tamed. And then I think the last one is that the Bank of Ghana has sucked a lot of money from the local economy, about 60 billion. You remember the last time when we spoke in the conference room, I was explaining to you that they've sucked about...
Fase IRB is on the committee on business development and I think economy, Bibi Mirifi. He has been doing this from time to time. Na Asare tintini tewa ina ane se wanu obi na edi nkoro nipa nipa ane se aban so abono homo de pantie mo yense mana adaya September inflation no aba bedru 9.4 na echese no so inflation no the chane say inflation ba from a na ge se nyama bo enso so from na enyama kikabo mani ama bo ko from de eye bebrebe nanso so no na menum ye no tie minim se nyama bo from a wabra inflation enso so eba from na okasa niema ema inflation eba from no aban tibia na bebrebe ebi wo ho a sika ebekọ omanfo botom bema omanfo nya the purchasing power say obenya wode so mutimi toto niema no eno na bema inflation ekoso because the demand no was so a ya na enema ye to no ye pre ho entina abia ma ne boa ye de ne ade na se me no me nyanya nim sa sika ni ngofo botom adwumafo o ma ye adwuma kwata so ma ye adwuma aban ntwa o muka nurse fo an kombati esi dwom de wo goto fan de wo goto pampers de wo goto diapers de wo goto sanitary pad de wo goto enema okoye makeup enye na sika na asecurity no abaso me nkru ni aban ntwa o muka ejoro woni ni kapre ana ogoto bibi ana demand aba sa product no anasa service ne so teacher for abosume nkuni yenti omuka edo so purchasing power aba from junior doctors abosume eduko do 9 yenti omuka so purchasing power aba from engineer man ka contribute to say ebia niema ye dare no we tobi we pebi ato na ne bo ekoso na de ade no ena ma inflation ekoso no ye ni sika na eto sika no nkwa bia na ade koto sika so the system ni contractors esu yenti omuka chese eniema bebrebe ena aba ena bi akwan bi so no aban so timi fo kwan bi so de sika ebegu omanim nanka exchange rate na ebekoso no eno so ya suppress no na ze ote ya company can say only about 4.5 going to $5 billion ena ewura Ghana injecting into the system exchange rate no as a Ghana cedi no stabilize kakra na say omunye free so no say as a chance ya peja kosro it is agrobi ana abai we any die the reality on the ground no omaya ihunu na wo beka impa ejuma ekobia omunye ma bia sika se munhwehwe mu no in 2024 November umbeka say the MPP abai no aye ato ho no I was say a fee by September na inflation ye be around 11 point something na eno na by say by no woman to me toward san na do dan kwagu na Dr. Baumia ye no so it dey umbe suppress amount for purchasing power na amiet me achieve that inflation target no na ene dey be do 9.4 no na ke o se ne ma bo kofom na nso so minim se onkan ya bo ekofom a wa na onim
ka se mitisi atia port na wo de
ekofom a wa na onim fam bo ekofom a wa na
do man adane political party e the court adane political party I say you na wa attorney general case I want Supreme Court to say obi adidi judge atema na kopiem Supreme Court na ye kotna sem no so asema anko
awanko
won so awansoma wo
David
wansoma obi an fi wo office
anko
ebi se mo hihye mo ade wo de mu nti mo aye de mo pe
na wonim wo kan na NDC for ne Martin Kpebu omo defense ene say na second Japan kra di DJ for na temo na sinsin omo defense no arabo kan Japan edi DJ no atemo no kra no na tem di no kra sinsin na no kra no ye chi ne contempt kra no ya amfa nantum nti adenti na Kevin Taylor de esi ed ni tum ti omo justification no
na abokan so problem papa say o Kevin Taylor sma ba na won ye do toto no ho de a ene o ma gu nanimu ase ewurade Kevin winim dawro sa Kevin Taylor sma wo mo kan ye yesi Kevin Taylor didi otumfo atema didi oche na me ntie dawo meme obi a sa Kevin Taylor ene twinu Jonas me nam social media so am koto mo a me hu mo picture me twam me ntie wo mo kasa da since me tie say yesi was me ntie da kwa me nima tem didi ekro didi judge no na me anu a na asemi bai ana mkotie di okafa otumfo ana mkotie di okafa oche no masa akwa no enum ye di na ti so ade sa oche hene ene otumfo ade a wo ye wo mo no enum ye di sa Kevin Taylor no achi no eso onko tena no di onni matem ya na odi otumfo atem do oche hene atem a me kwam na odi matem a de no aye sa akwada aketua timi di asante hene atem kan semu a empanimfo mpo ne saso ahemfo mpɔntimi nka nkyerɛ no timi di ɔkyehena tem aka nsɛm a ne saso ahemfo mpɔntimi nka nkyerɛ no na sɛ bonsam kra na suma wanti nka benya kokodro bɔ ne saa de agi sa nkwasasam na wodi no na wei party a whole party like NDC na mudi ndachi na mo akofa na ba adi national security for bɔ no ho ban akofa na ba di ɔman yɛne ɔman state facility emu na mode na akotena NDC montina konya nso enkosi da wo
you are saying
montina konya nso enkosi da nti monhwɛ niema bi yie yeah, but so by so I'm VVIP. I'm saying I'm not going to manage Zakunya so. No VVIP one. I'm at the Paris of wine. I did cocaine for coin.
Yeah.
Into already your bar VVIP one. Acquire a criminal a joint. Into be a no Yadinam Hoya sa. Aday. There be a baby na ugu or your man anymore says President Mahama. To was a crack. Now running the crowd.
Emu owiram.
Oh.
Emu owiram pa. Koka.
Yeah.
Mami tiwe.
Oh, the idea is the continuous version of John Dramani Mahama. I take it full effect. We are see Ejuma any normal or bass or by your dane diamamu. The rule make I say okay say wow for say when ya sem ewo court no jine yi because he see us on court no. Or train ama the court no saa efutuo no de ma ne lawyer say omu nko school omu agree omu bobo upload court no de munya hu hwe Mahama has been very envious of Akufo-Addo bibia Akufo-Addo ye na ne ye fi say Akufo-Addo wenanim as a lawyer as a diplomat Akufo-Addo e was saa normal way ono oni bi Assemblyman, Communication Minister. They say, me sure say, third term no open, we are. I can't hear back up a Council of State. Any Council of State. Some you know, the Bemano. Judges near vetting, may catch us a crock road and join the war. No, we are on young conform cano cre. Omotuana and some monkey can make catch them say.
In Casa.
Vetting, they said things, say, Omuba uphold the integrity and the constitution of Ghana. By your own colleague, a whole lawyer, say, mo be a Pandora box. No? You have opened the Pandora box. And Ghana knew baby, say, you disrespecting your judicial system. The judicial system, or more the constitution, they intentionally and purposefully emane independent send be now. When the legislature, any executives no fall shorter, the judiciary be now. Monshe de moye. Monshe de moye. Na say ye hwe baby e beko akoduru. But mesre wo opem so utumi kasa wo. Utumi kasa. Yenim say President Obenwo Ghana ebeye yia efriye nyina ene ye wompanimfo wo Ghana yesre se nyane kasa opemso utumfo ibumu kasa mesre wo odehye wo ba wo nana say baby a ya mamuo eko in terms of the judiciary no and you're wrong. Kasafa ho. Yenim so kasa. Ibiyi. The room does.
All right. Inti Koka ena Martin nkano na enima ni bi wo ho no mo ho. Ne kano ya na kana. Na yebeka edu ba bi ese ka yebeka. Enti anopai mami tia minua buno hene baafo ewu of asase pa radio na migidi se ne ho ye papa say last week Saturday ebo adwuma kam nti mechia no pa say itimi eye more of sa collabo no na itimi e build the front of MPP baby asase won ho ye cantonment na
ye can't
Okay. Into no, I say you strengthen sa Kokumlimle cantonment. Any Koko say it me yet trying on.
Obe hostel.
Kokumlimle cantonment and Madina.
Yes.
But Madina they be after primaries.
Madina the bedding.
Be after primaries.
Because when you go Madina hono.
Yeah.
Or my rebels be as say we am hwie nye you. Oh Madina.
Na no sia.
Or my rebels be go.
Many God in sia. Dr. Okan. That's the friend. Dr. Moses Okan. Aye. And me nua ba ko ho obofo me nua how say me nua no bebre ho obofo pa the black ain't no bia say bia di ho
No, but on guy do
House of Rebels.
Bro he hostel.
House of Rebels.
Obe hostel wo.
e wa asase pa say metimi akọ
Kai, that's what they that me no be referee.
Meko
Because I no be busa several. Who be ya no? Hey.
meko say ono so ya no waba ha bia na me so mako host ono no so adu
It is triangle games by the fireside.
yes no say I see etimi e ma eja na no yes
Yes.
nkrofo bi timi